Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting studio. Today we are going to be unboxing HTVRONT's brand new heat hat press, and I have to tell you, I am in love with this hat press. It makes the cutest hats, as you will see in this video, and it is super easy, and it's lots and lots of fun. So sit back and get ready to be amazed. All right, so I have my hat pressing lid right here, and then I have this is a pressing mat for your hat, and so it just slides right on top of here, and then it has a little hook that you can hook onto, so I'm going to do that right there. And then I'll do the same thing to this side and just pull that down, and now it's gonna just sit right there, nice and sturdy for me. I am going to take this cute little pink hat and I'm going to put it on here. And I want this to be on here pretty well, nice and snug, so that it doesn't have any creases or anything in it. There we go. Okay, so now I've got my hat nice and straight and everything is looking good. I am going to use this center seam, and I'm going to use my design that I have here, just a simple design that I got off of Cricut, and I'm just going to give it just a little bit of a fold right here so that I have a little crease up at the top, and I will know right where to center my design. So I will put that right where I like it. Okay, so I'm just putting the heat transfer tape on here right now because we don't want our design to move. And now I'm going to go plug in the heat press now that we have our design on here, and I think it looks good. I am going to take my heat press, which is this portion of it, and I am going to go plug this in. There we go. So now I have the time on there, and I'm going to set the time, or the temperature, to 311, because that's what the directions say for this particular heat transfer. So I'm going to set it at 310, and then I'm going to hit this again the settings, and I'm going to take it down to 15 seconds because that's where it needs to be. And then I'm just going to let the heat press warm up. Okay, our heat press is ready to go, so I'm just going to put this on the hat. And if you double press the power button or hold it down for 2 seconds, it will start the countdown for you. So you're just supposed to be able to iron this on. This is a cold peel. So we're going to let our hat cool for a minute before we take anything off. Okay, I think we're ready to do the peel. It has cooled down quite a bit, and I am super excited to see this. This is my first time ever using the puff vinyl, so, oh, but I do love the way that that turned out. Oh my goodness, that is so, so cute. So cute. Look at that. Didn't that turn out just amazing? Let me get it into focus here maybe a little bit. There you go. It's in focus now. Isn't that cute? I love it. It turned out so adorable. All right. I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right. So this is what it looks like. Super, super cute. That turned out so amazing. Whoop, let me turn my head the other way. I just love the way that it turned out. Oh my gosh. So that is the new HTVRONT hat heat press. So if you're looking to make your own hats and you're obsessed with it like I am now, then you'll definitely want to check this out. I will link down below in the description box to where you can get this awesome HTVRONT heat press for your hats. And if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.